I bought, guys, and it gave me so many problems. I've thrown a lot of it away, see, and it did print this one in the end, but it wouldn't print again, just coming up with blobs, wouldn't stick to the base plate. But anyway, this one's working, so I've changed a few settings and blah blah, this, that and the other, and yeah, we're here. Let's hope it actually finishes and works, because this one, even though I put a raft on it, this wouldn't come off the raft, like really hard on it, so we'll see. Just to let you know, guys, this is another engine which is rotary engine, but it does say that you have to file a lot and drill a lot and so on and so forth, so sand a lot, should I say. So we'll see how it goes. So far so good, guys. Well, I'm using a raft there, and I want to try one without the raft, but we'll see. I'm so glad that it's finally working, and here's the last thing there. It is okay, I suppose. Finally got it printed on my red PLA, and I'm so pleased with that. Hopefully it will continue till the end. Finish it off. So I should have put support everywhere. I didn't, but it seems to be okay-ish. Hopefully it will be alright. Anyway, so guys, the next PLA I want to try is this one, because I bought some few because I needed colour in my project. So I bought this one. I'm not sure if this will work, but certainly try it after this one. We'll do the flywheel after this one and try a different colour. I'm quite happy with the red one. Now it's working. In a few days I could not get it to stick whatsoever. Well, guys, this is printed. Hopefully we'll get away with that. This one here, we'll see. But it's just finished. So I'm going to change the PLA now. So this is a different color PLA, and it's sticking, so I'm really pleased with that. This is the flywheel, by the way. It's very small. I did put a raft there because I'm not sure, but I will try some things without the raft and see what happens. So guys, I'm going to try and build this, it's a rotary engine. I think I got all the parts done here. These are all the parts, I think, so it should be alright. First step is to try and clean this up. I'll do that off camera, and then I think this goes through there, so it needs finishing down or sanding, and then this goes through here, and that needs finishing down, sanding as well. So I'm going to deal with this here in the factory because I can use tools to finish everything down and all kinds of things there. So you see guys, the design of this engine is really beautiful indeed. So you saw me filing and doing all kinds of things there to get the things to fit. Let's look at this one. So this has a hole nearer this edge and further from there, and this goes inside it. Now I've broken the end off here. I have to kind of rebuild, print another one, but at the meantime I'm going to try and fix something just to try it out at the moment, and if it works I'm going to leave it. So yeah, so this goes in there like this, but you see this hole there has to go this edge here, so it matches that like this. So it matches that like that. So when it turns around, it goes like this. What's happening there is the air will go through there, come out there into the piston part, and then turn around and it'll go out there, and a beautiful thing comes out there. Amazing. I love it. Okay, so as you saw, this printing was a bit bad, but I got the piston to fit in there. The next thing I'm going to do is try and put this little piece here on the end of piston like this, and put a little something through there, through the hole somewhere. There's a hole somewhere, and hold it in there. Let's have a look at this this engine here on its own. Right, okay, so I'm not sure if I've missed a part to print out here, but obviously the air goes into there and it comes out there, as I said, comes out there with that piston, turn one way, go there and through there, and push that piston down from the top there, push it down, and then when it goes back up, it'll come out there, out through that. So that's the outlet there. The design is amazing. I do love these designs. They're very clever. Okay.